Hi everyone, my name is Rudram and I'm at grade 11 at DAA. Well, I've always used AI for studying during school, but the main thing I wanted to learn is how to make sure that I squeeze every last drop out of AI when I'm using it. Before the workshop, I was not that experienced. I used the classic AI chatbots such as ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini. I didn't really understand how vast AI actually is. Through this workshop, I've learned multiple new AIs and how to use them. Innovative platforms doing things I never thought AI could possibly do. Creating presentations, deep research, and much more. Before this workshop, I'd probably say that I understood AI at a basic level, around a 3 out of 10. But after this workshop, and an in-depth analysis of all the tools, I feel like I've gone up to a 7. I feel like the part when we used deep research AI such as Manus has the most profound impact on me because I use it a lot for school, so I feel like this will help me the most. Yes, I'd 100% recommend it to other students. In fact, as soon as I go to school, I'm telling all my friends about these AI tools as well. 1. AI can do a lot of things, but it's very important that you use it responsibly. Make sure to always credit when you're using AI and ask professors whenever you're using it. 2. I learned that AI note-taking apps such as Otter can operate autonomously without you needing to constantly make sure and reprompt, so you can focus on the lecture instead of taking notes. Third thing I learned was about using ChatGPT and how to prompt engineer prompts to make sure you get the exact thing that you need from AI. And the fourth thing I learned was how to use deep research AI such as Manus. And the fifth key takeaway I had was how to ethically use AI. It's a great innovative workshop that I've attended for the first time and it's been life-changing.